and welcome. I'm Chavi Sompura and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Hurricane hunters head to Gulf as dangerous heat kicks into high gear in US. A storm system spinning across the Gulf is being monitored by the National Hurricane Center for possible tropical development as millions of people from Florida to Texas brace for more rounds of potentially flooding rain and thunderstorms over the next few days. As the system spins over the Gulf, hurricane hunters are set to fly into it on Thursday afternoon to get a closer look. The Fox Forecast Center said rainfall totals of 2 to 3 inches are possible for much of the northern Gulf Coast, with some locally higher amounts. More than 129 million people are under life-threatening heat alerts from the south to the east coast as large ridge of high pressure builds over the central US this week, commonly referred to as heat dome. The Fox Forecast Center said nearly 200 million people will be feeling the heat by the end of the week as the system acts like a lid on the temperature atmosphere, trapping heat and leading to prolonged periods of hot, dry weather. The most intense heat is expected to shift towards the Interstate 95 corridor on Friday. As Florida grapples with another summer heat wave, unsightly scenes of brown seaweed have again blanketed parts of the Sunshine State coastline. Large sections of the country are expected to experience above normal temperatures during August, while the southeast and mid-Atlantic face elevated chances of showers and thunderstorms. August is typically the second warmest month of the year from coast to coast, with high levels of precipitation in the southwest and southeast. But if the latest outlooks verify, there will be some noteworthy differences when compared to typical months. For instance, the outlook does not suggest a particularly energized monsoon pattern across the desert southwest, but it does show increased precipitation chances from the mid-Atlantic to Gulf Coast. At first glance, this might appear to be the result of a potential tropical system, but a closer analysis of the outlook indicates the increased rainfall may be more likely due to showers and thunderstorm activity not related to an organized cyclone. That said, the possibility of a tropical system enhancing rainfall across the region cannot be ruled out entirely, but specific impacts from the tropical activity would be indicated in short-term forecast rather than monthly outlook. Unfortunately, the expected pattern means that many drier parts of the country, particularly across the western US, are projected to see little drought relief. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.